My name is Saloni Shahi. I'm going to present an analysis on Zomato restaurants. So here is the data I have presented. First of all, you can see that there is a restaurant ID, then restaurant names, then over here it is given country code, and then city and the address. Apart from that, you can see the longitude and latitude, then the cuisines they serve, and the currency they work in, and the online and offline booking system, and the and whether they deliver or not. And these are the prices and votes they have got. Then the average cost for the two-person, what the average cost for two-person is here, it is all given over here. Moving on to the dashboard. So this is my final dashboard. You can see here are the KPIs, that is the total restaurant you can see is 9,551, and total cuisines that you can see is 9,542. If we talk about the number of cities I have taken into the data, that is 141, and the average rating of the restaurants is 2.8. Total countries I have taken data is 15, and the votes, total votes they have got is 14 lakh 98,000 and 6,445. Then you can see that here, over here, you online delivery and table booking data is given, that uh, out of 100%, approximately 70% is not comfortable with the online delivery, or they do not provide online delivery, and only I think approximately 30% provides online delivery. Then if we talk about table booking, then 88% of restaurants are available for the table booking, and only 2% is not there. I mean, 12% is not there. Moving on to number of restaurants based on the average cost. So the average cost ranges, the most preferable is 0 to 500, that is 499, and in that almost 50% of restaurants have average cost between this range, and you can see the other ones. Moving on to distribution, by average rating, then most of the restaurants fall into 3 to 3.5. And if we talk about the city-wise count, then the Mumbai has the highest count for having the restaurants. And if we moving on to, here is the data for top 15 cuisines, that is street food, North Indian and Italian, and the others are given over here. Then you can see the most favorable cuisines that everyone prefers is North Indian in the restaurants that we are taking. And moving on to the timeline, that is number of restaurants opened from 2010 to 2018, then you can see the line chart that shows that in 2010 and 11 the data has given gone up, then it has decreased almost around like 50%. Then it increased, that is in 2012 it has decreased significantly, and then have gone up in 2013. Then over the period, if we talk about a half a decade, then it has risen up only. So we can see the increment over here in 2018 and 2017. Then if we want to take want to see currency wise, then you can click on one of these and see the changes in our chart. Then If I want to see like how many restaurants and what is the count of Indore, then I can click on the city that I want to see and see all the charts over here. Like total restaurants is 20. In 2018, total restaurant is only 20, and cuisines they served is 20. Then all of this, yeah. So this is like all I wanted to show. So here is the pivot table I have used for making all the diagrams, all the charts. And here is the report I have given link for that, and you can see what my report says. So yeah, moving on to reports. Then in the report, you can see the recommendation that they should focus on the customer, and then they should emphasize on market expansion, and that we can see in these last half a decade, like from 2018 to 2004, sorry, 2024, we can see the market expansion Zomato has done. And if we talk about cuisine strategy, then they have provided varieties of cuisines on their platform and have received a good response on that platform. Then the online and table booking services have also been introduced on the Zomato app. So yeah, they have done a great job according to the data analysis I have done till 2018. And if I compare the situations from then to now, and if we talk about conclusion, then I could all say that this is the data I have presented, and you can see everything. And please let me know any feedback you want to give. Thank you.